Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this quick Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to create a solid black line in Word for documents, signatures, separators, forms, resumes, and personal page design. Solid black lines are perfect for organizing content, creating clean layouts, and adding structure to your document. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now we can see here assignment. Now I add the solid line using a signature or adding a signature from my page last. Then double click on the page last and go to the insert menu. Click the shape option and choose the line shape. Here the first line. Now I am draw the line, press and hold shift on our keyboard. But the line is so thick. Now you adjust the line shape, select the shape, go to the format menu, click the shape outline, make it black, go back again and increase the width of the line. Then go back again and click the insert and choose the text box and draw a text box. Then draw a text box top on the black line. Go to the format menu, click the outline, choose no outline. Now I am write my name Rahul Hossain and add a signature here. You can add any signature line. Now I am go to my signature, go to the insert menu, click the picture option and here the signature of my Rahul. Then resize the signature, select the signature, go to the format menu, click wrap text drop down menu, choose in front of text, then resize it and add it on here. Then adjust the text box. Now we can see we add a black solid line very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.